Hey, what's up, good people? This is Shelby. Welcome to the Shelby Ruth channel. If you are new here, then thank you for coming. And if you are visiting or you have been here before, welcome to the channel. I hope you brought some friends. I hope you brought some questions and ideas. And if you brought snacks, that will be awesome too. But yeah, so today I am really excited because it's not the holidays yet, but MAC has started their release of their holiday collection. I got, in the Shiny Pretty Things collection, I got the MAC Shiny Pretty Things favorites, and this is 2 matte shadows and 2 cream sheen shadows. So I'm excited. I'll swatch all of those for you. I also got, upside down, there we go. I got the Shiny Pretty Things Base Compact. Now this has a highlighter, the extra dimension highlighter, extra dimension blush, and the extra dimension bronzer. Now the bronzer is supposed to be for deeper skin tones, so we'll see how well this stands up pigment wise. MAC is the GOAT, but sometimes when we get palettes or like holiday collections, sometimes, you know, they don't come through with the pigment, so let's see what happens. And then I got the eyeshadow palette, and I actually tried to push myself a little bit. I didn't get the normal warm palette that I would usually get. This one is the smoky palette. Turn it that way, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shadows in this bad boy, and it comes with a brush. So I'll definitely swatch all of these for you. I'm excited to try these out. I'm also pretty much going to be doing an all MAC face today, so everything I put on my face, with the exception of, I think, my brows. Yeah, my brows is going to be all MAC. So I'm super excited to share these things with you because I love MAC. I think everybody kind of loves MAC or has some MAC product in their collection that they just can't let go of. So let's hop into the video. And of course, wait, before we do anything, go down to the bottom. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Hit the little bell button, you know, little ding-a-ling bell button. And actually, no. Before we go any farther, hold the phone, ma'am. I'm going to need you to go down to the bottom, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram. It should be right here or here, here, you know. Hit the Instagram button, and we are going to hop into this holiday review. So I did my brows off camera because I don't have any MAC brow products. However, I did use one of the new MAC 24-hour concealers to do the foundation for my shadow. And then I also have an eyeshadow base that I will lay down probably underneath on the lid just to hold things together. So the first thing we're hopping into from the Shiny Pretty Things palette, I think it's Shiny Pretty, that's right, is the palette. It's in Smoky. You can see the colors right here. It comes with 9 colors, and it comes with a brush. It's a double-ended brush. It looks like a flat side and then a more pointed side, probably for getting into corners. You know, I have mixed feelings about brushes that come with palettes because I don't think the quality necessarily automatically takes a step down, but sometimes it does. So I'll try to use this, although I don't think I can use this for my transition, but we'll see what happens. Let me go ahead and show you swatches. This is the swatches, and there's a good mix of frosts and, let's see, frosts, mattes, and then what is L? I'm not sure what L is, what L stands for. If you know what L stands for, let me know down in the comments. Yeah, so the colors are pretty. A couple of them seem really foily and really nice. 1 or 2 of them they're all very cool though, except for, I would say, probably that's really pretty blue right here, which I'm actually really interested in using, and the green next to it, which I'm also interested in using, of course. We might end up using both. And then of course I've got these really cool darker colors, these. I'll try to use this as a transition, but I don't have high hopes, and I might use this as a foundation for something else, but let's see what happens. I'm not going to try to name all these colors when the actual names. I will say the color, but I'm probably not going to say the name when I get into this look. So let's just hop in. And as you can see, I don't have any foundation on because just in case they have fallout, I don't want it to be all over my face, right? Right. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to start off with this color right here as a transition, and then I might try that one if it doesn't show up. And I'm starting with a, see, this is a NYX Makeup Professional blending brush, the pointed blending brush. Just going to lay this down. This is almost the same color as my skin, as my lid, so I guess that's fine. It's giving me a neutral base to start with, but it doesn't really, it's not really showing up, which is, you know. So I'm going to go in with a MAC 217, a MAC 217 shader brush, blender rather, and lay that on top. It's kind of a warm, gray, smoky kind of, can I say clay color? Not like red clay, but like the clay you use in like pottery class. Yeah, I like that. Okay. That's pretty. I think that I will start, actually I'm really interested in trying all these colors. But I don't have enough eye space for all of them. Let's start with the decisions. Let's start with the black with the glitter in it on the corner, then we'll go turquoise, and then we'll pick one of these other colors at the top end to put on the inner eye. Let me go in with a small, very, very small pointed blender from eye crease brush from e.l.f. I'm going to take a little bit of this black and just darken my crease just a little bit. Just the teeniest bit. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That is. We're going to go into this this silvery, this dark silver. It's almost like a pewter color. To lay that. Ooh. Oh, okay. Okay. All right, I see you. Okay. I'm going to put that all over my lid. That is a subtle, pretty silver. I like that. Okay. Ooh, and I like the way the silver is mixing with the black out here. It's really pretty. Then I'm going to take the pointed side of this brush, and one side I'm going to put some of the blue out here, the deepest blue here. See if that shows up. It does. Not really well though. Use some Fix Plus and wet it. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Okay, that's a really pretty blue. It's prettier when you wet it, but it's very, very pretty. I'm going to take this angle brush and I'm going to use some of this bright turquoise in here. I guess I'd call it turquoise. I'm going to put some of that. I think I'm going to put it right on the line if I can. Ooh, I'm doing a lot. Okay. Let's see. But I want to wet it. Ooh. Okay, so now that we have an idea of what our eye is going to look like, I'm going to do the other eye. Now I'm going to go in with the Technicolor black liner. I think it's in the color, yeah, Graph Black. And I'm going to line, I'm going to line my inner waterline and my lower lash line. Don't mind my mirror edge. I just need to get really close for this. And I don't want to stab myself in the eye. So, black, Graph Black. Okay, let's go ahead and clean this up, and I'm going to fast forward through my foundation. It's the NC45 Studio Fix Fluid. So I had some issues with my lighting and with my camera. I hope that you're still able to appreciate the eyeshadow and the review. But anyway, let's keep moving. We're already here, so let's keep it pushing. Alright, so we'll go ahead and go in with some concealer. This is the NW35 Pro Concealer, also from MAC. One thing I will say, I think it's amazing that I put my foundation after and I still have enough fallout that the glitter is like, I can see it still. We have the holiday collection in Shiny Pretty Things Compact in Deep. And it comes in with 3 colors in here. This is a highlighter, a blush, which has a little bit of iridescence, and then a bronzer. So let's try the bronzer. You see that? Oh yeah, we can see that. Ooh, the snatchery. Oh, woohoo. But legit, like this looks like a fudge bar. That's this right here. Does it have a name? Let's see. It's called Quick Trip. And then the blush is called Carolers. Oh, and then Soul Glow. Oh, Soul Glow. If you don't know what that is, you better ask somebody if you don't know. It's Christmas already, y'all. Wait. Oh my goodness gracious alive. Oh, I need to stop. Oh, but I don't want to. How much? Did we ever establish how much highlighter was too much highlighter? Like, I feel like this isn't a thing, but you know, y'all could tell me, you know, when I had to stop. Let's go on with the blush. This is Carolers. You see that? Yeah, you can see that. So you see how it's a little bit iridescent-y? It's like I guess your holiday glow. This is the highlighter. Ooh, yeah, she's pretty. And then this is the blush. See, it's a little sheer. It's not very matte, but it is pretty. And then this is the bronzer. I'm going to give it a couple swipes so you can see it. Can you see that? I think you can. Yeah, look at that. That's like chocolate. Oh, yes. All day. Yes. All day. Oh, we need to finish our eyes. I'm sorry, I've gotten completely distracted by this. That is awesome. I'll use this brush and I'll go into this brown that we talked about. My camera moved, guys. Sorry. Little gremlins. And go underneath our blue. Yeah, wow. That dirty silver, that pewter that I like so much, and put that on my inner corner. Right there. Ooh, look at the color when you wet it. Wow. All right. Actually, I'm going to use our turquoise. We're just going to play and put it in that inner bottom inner corner. Okay. Don't stab yourself in the eye. That's a big one. People don't always talk about that. Don't stab yourself in the eye. Everybody's done it, but nobody talks about it. I will break the silence. Don't stab yourself in the eye. And last, but certainly not least, lippies. There's 4 of them. As I said, they are, let's see, do they have names on here? Let's see. Fam Only, Nutmeg are the, Fam Only and Nutmeg are the mattes. There's a cream sheen called Hark, and then there's a satin lipstick called Half Calf, which I'm assuming is like, you know, probably a nudie. Anyway, let's open it. Are you ready? Come on. Got it. I don't know if any of them really go, which is interesting because it's a holiday collection together, but one of them does match my blush. Yeah, I think that given the choice, of course, because the choice is mine. I don't know if you can see. Hold on. So yeah, given the choice next to the color of the blush, I'm gonna say that, what is this? Nutmeg is the color I'm gonna. Well, she goes with the look. I think she's pretty. I think on the camera she's pulling more pink than she actually is. It's actually more of a peachy brown nude, actually. But it goes with the blush. So I can get down with that. Oh, this glow, though, from this highlighter is amazing. Wow. Okay. All right. One thing I will say about the minis, though, not just in this collection, but in general, I don't think none of these are like groundbreaking colors. They're nice. And you know, they're small, so you'll definitely use them before you tire of them. So as far as the lipsticks go, I don't think any of them are mind-blowing. I do love the formula of this matte. It actually feels really, really smooth. It's really nice. I could try one more. Let's try one more color of the matte on. Let's try, don't want to try Hark. Let's try the darker one, which I believe, let's see, the darker one is, I think it's actually Half Calf, which I thought would be, let's see, of the two. Yeah, let's try Half Calf. Let's go in with another color, with Half Calf, and try this one out. It's not as bright. It's actually looking really bright on the monitor. It's actually not that bright. It's more of a pinker nude. It's kind of a mauve-y color. I actually think that's really pretty. I just, like I said, I don't think it's not groundbreaking, but it is. Do I think it's worth your money? I do think it's worth your money. I think that getting some of these would actually be really great. I think you can skip the lipsticks unless you just need some minis that are convenient and mauve and fit in your purse and are festively colored. But otherwise, I'd probably pass on them. It's MAC. It's worth your money. Go hard or go home. It's going to work out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, not tutorial, I hope you enjoyed this review. Yeah, go down to the bottom, comment, give me some feedback, tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like. If you love this eye look, if you hate it, if you think I should have had lashes instead, I want to hear from you. And if there's anything else you want me to review, let me know. Again, thank you so much for coming, and ciao for now.